Hello, and welcome to a video detailing how to use the CareerFair Plus app for the Expo Career Fair. The CareerFair Plus app is available on iOS and Android, so your first step will be to download the app and create an account. When creating an account, be sure to select the student/candidate option and the Purdue University option when prompted. Once you've done that, you should end up on this screen. To access all the available information, simply follow along at home. Click Purdue University to bring up all the career fairs currently being offered at Purdue. Today we will be focusing on the Spring 2026 in-person Expo Career Fair, but be sure to check out all of the other opportunities, including our virtual Expo. You can click Spring 2026 in-person Expo to gain access to the general fair information, but let's dive deeper. At the bottom here, I'm going to select Employers, and a list of employers attending the fair appears. Here, I can click Filters to find companies that are looking for me. There are over 30 majors and over 60 industries listed in the Filters tab, as well as filters for if a company is looking for certain positions or work authorizations. For example, I am a nuclear engineering sophomore hoping to work in energy, so if I simply apply those filters, a few options will pop up. If I were a graduate student, I can simply check that off instead of sophomore. Now, I can favorite these companies for later, and they will stay in the Favorites tab every time I open CareerFair Plus. If I see a company name I might not recognize, I can click it for more information. Here, I can visit the company's website, make notes of myself, or drop my resume. This feature will only work if you have previously uploaded a resume to CareerFair Plus when making your account. Closer to the day of the fair, there will be a booth number listed where it says Booth Not Yet Assigned. To access a map of the fair, simply click Fair Map at the bottom. For Expo, we have 6 gyms to roam through, but each booth is color coordinated and numbered, so any company will be easy to find. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want more information, comment below or come to Expo Prep Night in the Stewart Center and we will help you out. Boiler up!